How to verify BYBIT account in 5 seconds. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to verify your BYBIT account in 5 seconds. So to verify your BYBIT account in 5 seconds, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, what you have to do is you have to go and log in into your BYBIT account. So if you wish to do this procedure in 5 seconds, then make sure that you are ready with your documents and the information that is required. So here what you have to do is go to your home page and click on verify now and click the verify now button one more time. Next, you have to provide the way to verify. Either you'll be providing a passport, driving license, ID card or residential permit. Select that and click the confirm button. Moving on to the next step, you have to go ahead and start taking the picture of your document, and when you've actually taken a picture of your document, then you can proceed on to the next field and do the same procedure, that is take a picture of the ID that has been asked, and you'll be able to verify your BYBIT account in 5 seconds. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.